Stacey, and I don't know about you, but I have been feeling kind of blue lately. We literally have just been recovering from a nor'easter, and so many of us have had power outages and sitting in the dark. So I know that I really felt like I needed a splash of color in my life. And the best way that I can think to do that is with spring flowers. Guys, spring flowers are so vibrant, they can just make you so happy. From yellow sunshiny tulips to gorgeous pink hyacinth, not only is the color beautiful, but the scent is intoxicating. I just love them so much. To look at these gorgeous ranunculus, and these pots also bring out the color so much. They're so beautiful. And I decided that I really want to plant up a centerpiece for my Easter table because I'm going to be entertaining this year. And I thought if guests walked in and they saw a bright pop of color on my table, it would just make everybody happier. So I've already started. You know how we always talk about spiller, thriller, filler? Well, we have a lot of thrillers when it comes to Easter flowers. We've got our little spiller with the ivy, and that's going to continue to trail over this beautiful basket weave container. Then of course, white pansies, perfect, beautiful cold tolerant plants. And then I added in this English daisy. I don't know if you can see this, but it has a little yellow eye in the center. It just looks like a little burst of sunshine. So that makes me so happy. Then I'm going to continue with this gorgeous ruffled ranunculus. It's like this fuchsia color, and I just think that really stands out and will make a great pop at my Easter table. It's so gorgeous and kind of romantic looking, and it has a neat kind of cut leaf foliage on it. Then for my last and final pop of color, you can't get more happy than tete-a-tete, the little narcissus. These are so sunshiny and so springy, and they will look gorgeous in this pot at my Easter table. A little bit stuck in this pot here because it's got such an intense root system, which is really good. It means it's very healthy. And then I'm just going to tuck this in the back to give it a little bit of height. And look at that. I will clean this up, and I actually brought some of my dishes from home, and we'll set up this little table just to give you an idea of what my Easter table is going to look like at home. So stick with me while I do that.